Across the country, there are reports of an uptick in COVID cases.
It's a trend some local doctors are noticing too. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a closer look at what they're seeing and what else is going around this week.
Several doctors are reporting a small but noticeable increase in COVID cases over the past 2 weeks, but fortunately, most cases remain mild overall. Now, we're also continuing to see breathing issues related to the heat and the air quality. Here's what's going around where you live.
In Wayne County, Dr. Glenn Clark at Corewell Health Beaumont and Grosse Pointe is seeing a small but definite uptick in COVID, plus stomach viruses and breathing problems, particularly in chronic lung patients. The CVS mini clinics are treating strep throat, fungal skin infections, and pink eye. Over to Oakland County, Dr. Steve McGraw at Ascension Providence in Southfield is starting to see a few more COVID cases. They're also treating more bee stings this week. Dr. Adam Veeder at Corewell Health Beaumont in Farmington Hills reports an increase in gastrointestinal illnesses causing nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. The Henry Ford Go Health urgent cares are seeing coughs and bronchitis, and the CVS mini clinics are treating sinus infections and swimmer's ear. Checking on Monroe County, doctors' offices report stomach viruses, plus some patients suffering breathing problems, including from allergies and asthma. Moving to Macomb County, Dr. Maria Samuel at Henry Ford Sterling Heights is treating a few cases of pneumonia, plus sinus infections and allergy and asthma flare-ups related to poor air quality and the humidity. The CVS mini clinics say infected bug bites are on the rise. They're also seeing bronchitis and ear infections. Finally, in Livingston County, Trinity Health Livingston and the Brighton Medical Center report a slight increase in COVID and some gastrointestinal illnesses. Doctors' offices are also seeing more bug bites and bee stings.
Now, a word of warning about those bug bites. We have seen some mosquito-borne illnesses detected in Michigan this year, so as a precaution, be sure that you're wearing repellent if you're headed outside, particularly at dusk and dawn. Now, this is also the time of year when stinging insects become more aggressive, so use extra caution, and if you're allergic, be sure that you're carrying your EpiPen.